Death is not the end of us, and here's why. For whoever studied science in their high school, we know two of the most famous rules and law and equation in physics. Let me grab my magic wand first. So the first one is energy is equal to mass times by the speed of light. This shows that energy and mass, they are interchangeable, and energy becomes mass and vice versa. The second one is the most famous law in physics, first law of conservation of energy. This law says that energy is not created or can be destroyed, but the energy converts from one form to another form constantly. Okay, so remember this too while I'm explaining the next part. Okay, in Einstein equation we have the speed of light, which is the universal limit, and it's always one number and it doesn't change. So for us, what matters is that energy is equal to mass. If you're wondering how they turn to each other, this is like a cycle. Why cycle? Because look at the nature. We have spring, summer, fall, winter, goes back to spring, summer, fall, winter, and this is just a constant cycle going on. You never see a year without fall. Okay, very disciplined. Yeah, our nature, it's a constant cycle of rebirth, death, and transformation. Okay, I need to squeeze here. Okay, turns to math, and math turns to energy constantly. Okay, that's what we said in the part one. Let's consider this energy as our soul, because our soul has a divine energy, and consider this math as our body. Okay, bear with me. When we die, this is a part that our soul comes out of our body. So here's this part. When we born, that first energy comes to our body again. So this is like a constant death and rebirth. This is just showing that death is not the end of us.